Where'd you go, doggy? Where'd you go? Oh. We came up to the top of the Rockies. We got distracted, but I found a dog. He's trying to lead me out of here. Oh my God. I wanted to upload this to YouTube. Alright guys. Hopefully the helicopter will get here soon. Oh, there's a fence. Wow, we must be near some kind of a pipeline or something, Sparky. Come on. Get us out of here. This could be it for Shoe Nice. I'm gonna leave my hat here. Somebody can find me. We're at the top of the Rocky Mountains in a blizzard. I knew we went a little too far on the Bone Cruise. Danny boy! Oh, there we go. He's leading us away. Oh, either way, I don't want to make a phone. Oh, no, Johnny, get up, get up. Oh my God. Is that two grizzly bears fucking? Thank you.